Here's what's happening in Dallas, Texas when it comes to the renovations at the American Airlines Center in downtown Dallas. Now, for a little background on the arena itself, it opened in July of 2001. And of course, that became the home of the Dallas Mavericks and the Dallas Stars. It was built through a public-private partnership costing around $420 million, with American Airlines securing naming rights for $195 million over 30 years. Now, it's located in Victory Park neighborhood, and the American Airlines Center was designed by David M. Schwartz and HKS Incorporated. The first event was an Eagles concert, followed by the Mavericks and Stars inaugural games later in 2001. Now, known for hosting sports, concerts, and other entertainment events, the arena can accommodate up to 21,000 fans. It has been the venue for major events such as the 2007 NBA All-Star Game and the 2018 NHL Draft. Now, the center is going through some renovations recently, equaling about $20 million so far. And it's set to go through its first major renovation project. The Adelson family purchased a controlling stake in the Mavericks from Mark Cuban back in January of 2024. The $30 million renovation project, cited as housekeeping, will include updates on escalators and elevators and add nearly 5,000 square feet of floor slab infill in November. Now, these renovations are expected to be completed in August of 2025. The Adelson family has also said they plan to upgrade the facility from top to bottom. It may take some time since the arena is in use for most of the year, but with incremental improvements over several years, the stadium may look very different in the next decade. Now, although it's going through some pretty significant renovations, the Mavericks have a lease that ends in 2031. And Mark Cuban has expressed interest in moving on from the stadium during an economics forum in August. Cuban said that he envisions a new arena as part of a destination casino resort and is committed to staying in Dallas. But we don't know exactly where the new stadium casino will be built, although some people have suggested Irving may be the best spot. Other experts have said that the area next to the convention center in downtown Dallas would be a better spot. Some other potential spots include the previous location of Reunion Arena and the Cedars District. So what does that mean for real estate down in that area? Let's take a look. Now, you can see here in the zip code surrounding the area, if we look at around September of 2019, just 5 years ago, the median price was around $677,000. Now, you fast forward to September of 2024, and we are looking at $989,000. That's an increase of over 45% in equity, over $311,000 on average. Now, year over year, you can see right here, it's down about 0.8%, so still holding steady over last year. But if you bought sometime 5 years ago or before, you could be sitting on hundreds of thousands of dollars of equity in your home or condo. Definitely a lot of condos and townhomes down in that area. So if you want to check out what your home may be worth, check the description below and then check out this next video because you'll learn a lot more about Dallas.